What's up, guys? Welcome to Welding Steel. I just grabbed my chainsaw. We might go cut up firewood today.
Yep.
But I gotta sharpen the chain, grab some oil, bar oil from somewhere back here. On here some, but I have some newer stuff somewhere. It must be on the other side.
You have to get that mini
But
chainsaw out. We have to get some sweat.
I need to. We don't need wedges, Tyrell. Find a chainsaw file. Okay, I got two small ones. It's just the, it's kind of dirty. Just the MS-17. Yeah, I got the chainsaw, chain all sharpened. Filled up that. Got all blew off. Tighten the chain. Got my gloves. Gotta look for my chainsaw chaps. I don't want to cut off my leg or something. So put the bed box on the foiler. Just a little plywood box I made for this, so I can put my chainsaw in. Tyrell, it's over here. It's over here. I stuck it in here so it didn't get all wet. It still got wet. See, I had it zip tied on, but holy cow, where'd that zip tie come from? Okay, let's get out of here. So
How to get it out?
I don't know. I just stuck it in there.
Oh, I know.
Okay. See, it's just a little plywood box I can put my chainsaw in and stuff. So let's grab it over there. So the reason why I cut up firewood is because, well, just me and Cheryl's little car rim fire pit I made with the forge, because I melt aluminum with it, like chunks of aluminum like this. So I'm gonna zip tie it on. Okay, so I got the chainsaw, gloves, glasses, chaps in the bed box. I got it zip tied down, a bunch of zip ties. And let me grab some earmuffs. Gotta close this door because the heater, it's gotta keep heating it up in here. Gotta keep opening the door. Let's see. Earmuffs. Here's one pair, but Tyrell might want some too. Crazy dude. Okay. Why don't we just bring that chainsaw? It's kind of big. Yeah. Okay. That one's pile. That one's pile. Okay. Tyrell, where's earmuffs for you? Earmuffs. Tyrell. Where are they? Tyrell. Oh, you don't know? Well, did you get your gloves loaded up?
Some like.
Oh yeah, there's some back there. Whoops, sorry.
I have my gloves on my
Here you go.
On my hand.
Oh, okay. Let's go out this door so we don't open that door and let in all the heat. Well, I gotta close it real quick. More.
You guys go back to
What? We're going out this way.
Nate, or the Dave. You know the bag for.
Yeah, but I'll bring that back later.
Something's out there.
Yeah, there's no one. Okay. Okay, here we are. Throw that in there. Throw yours in there. On the foiler.
My gloves.
Hopefully that holds. Check out my video on that. Let's see.
So,
I should really check the oil. Let's see here, a piece of ice. Oh. Okay. Take that piece out. That's a 4-foot deep hole right there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna build a tree fort up in the air, but that's another joke. But looks like the sun's gonna get in the camera's way, but looks like this piece fell down. What do you think? We just start cutting it off, or do we hook a chain and yank it off?
Yank it.
Will it go?
What?
Will it go, you think? Looks pretty rotten, but I don't know. We'll have to find out. Did we bring a chain?
No.
No, we brought some ice though.
What?
Maybe the ice will take care of it. Whoopsies, just kidding. But these two pieces.
Throw it at it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that didn't work. Time for the big guns.
I never ran that far.
Okay. So we pulled the foiler up. I hooked the winch up to a chain, and I don't think the winch is gonna do it, but it looks pretty broken up there. So let me try. It might just pull the foiler, but let me put the parking brake on, or attempt to at least. Okay. Okay, step on the brake and then reel it in a bit. See how the line's getting pretty tight. Okay, it's reeling in kind of far. So I'm gonna have to reel it out and back up. So let me put it in reverse here. Okay. Let me reel it in some more now. Let me just try backing up now. Okay, that's it. Okay, let me try reeling it in. Okay, that's a bit too much. Okay. Okay, so I got all that. It's just like my firewood for my forge, and all this stuff. And the 4-wheeler trailer, sorry about the sun, is the firewood, or I mean the just brush junk stuff. A couple logs fell in there, I had to go swimming. Just kidding. I just reached down there. But I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the 4-wheeler to that last log right there and tow it out of there. It's not that heavy because it's rotten. I pulled it that far out of there, but because I don't want to cut that up right now.
And it
But-
is a jump.
So let me just grab the 4-wheeler and flip it around. And thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.